Nature's beauty is a timeless source of wonder, offering peace, inspiration, and a sense of connection. From the soft glow of a sunset to the powerful rhythm of ocean waves, nature presents an endless variety of sights, sounds, and sensations. Majestic mountains, serene forests, colorful flowers, and star-filled skies all remind us of the world's natural artistry. Its beauty lies not only in grand landscapes but also in the smallest details, a dewdrop on a leaf, the song of a bird, or the graceful dance of butterflies. Nature has a calming power, often healing our minds and refreshing our spirits. Would you like a short poem or quote about nature's beauty?